Hello guys, today I want to show you a tip that I forgot to mention in my previous Blender modeling tutorials, and this is linking objects. It is a nice helper method to change a mesh that is already integrated into a scene like this one. For example, this bridge here, it is already aligned to these rocks. I don't want to change the rotation and the orientation again, but I want to edit the mesh, for example add some variations or add other parts to the mesh. But the other objects are in the way. When I snap the view, the rotation doesn't match, very bad. I could try to duplicate this by pressing Shift and D, but as you can see the modifications affect the new mesh only, and I would have to delete the original then and bring the new model to the same position. This could be very tedious, but there's a better solution. Instead of pressing Shift and D, just press Alt and D. It will also be duplicated. But now, when I modify the duplicated mesh, the original will be modified as well. So now I can move this new object to a separate layer. And here I bring it to the center by pressing Alt and G. And I also reset the rotation by pressing Alt and R. And now I modify the object as I like. First I bring the pivot point to the center. And then I switch to sculpt mode and add some imperfections, for example. Just to break the symmetry and to make this object look more realistic. And after that, guess what? I can just press the X key and delete this object. Why? Well, because all these modifications that I just made are also done for the original object. So let's go back to the first layer. You can see that the bridge is moved a bit upwards, but this is just because I changed the pivot point. And of course the other modifications are also added to the mesh. I use this feature quite often. I think it's really useful, and this is why I wanted to point this out here. Alright, I hope you find this interesting, and if you do, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to support me, then think about being my patron. This would really help a lot. If you have any questions, add them to the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.